Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to find Calendar app and click on it. Now pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. When you're ready, you can add your event by choosing this plus icon at the top right corner and customize it however you wish to. For example, add a title. Now you need to click on this section here, location or video call, and for example, type in an address, and then click on the correct result or choose current location. I will go with this address though. Now you can pick starting hour and ending one, or disable this feature completely by selecting switcher next to all day. Over here, scroll down and click on repeat. Now you can tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, just click on the same option and set up never. Then you can pick calendar over here, select one of those options from your iCloud, I will go with home, then click on invites, type in your contact name and set it up. As you can see, I don't have any, so I need to select cancel. Now click on alert and set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event. I will go with 1 week before. Then click on show us, select the best option for you, I will go with free. Add attachments if you have any, take notes, and finally save your event by choosing add at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine is over here. If you wish to edit it, you need to click on it and then select edit at the top right corner. Now make your changes and tap on done at the top right corner as well. If you wish to get rid of it though, you need to choose delete event at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!